When designers walk out of this workshop after the 2 days working with TK, we see it time and time again where designers will reach out to us and say, I booked my first $15,000 wedding and I never thought that was possible. This is a 2-day intensive workshop. It's all focused on luxury floral design, from building bouquets to large-scale installations to beautiful tablescapes. And on the second day of this intensive workshop, we go over how to price for profit, how to market yourself, how to be able to send out proposals to these high-end clients with confidence. And we have a photographer that comes in, takes pictures of everything so that you have a full gallery walking out of here on social media and any platform. This class is really tailored for designers that just want to have the knowledge and power and confidence in their business and to be able to bring their design business to the next level, truly. You will walk out with more confidence and be able to crush your goals and do things that you never thought were possible before.